Hi friends, hope you are doing good. Welcome. I'm really excited to come to you with this update on the first ever giveaway we announced in our channel. We announced the giveaway on July 18th, 2025. We launched it to celebrate two big milestones of this channel. We crossed 3 million views and we are now 3,500 plus subscribers. A big thank you for making it possible. This being the very first giveaway of KHK 360, I'm sure it is going to be the first of many more giveaways which will come in the future. I wanted the entire experience to be exciting for both you and me. That is why it gave me a lot of pleasure in partnering with Crossrope for this giveaway, where three lucky winners would be winning the Crossrope starter set. The Crossrope starter set is the quarter-pound weighted rope and the slim handles. The best jump rope in the world in my opinion. This is a premium rope, sells at around $100 plus shipping, which three lucky winners will win it for completely free of cost. Honestly, I had very modest expectations in terms of participation, but the response has truly blown me away. So many of you, many regular viewers and new viewers have joined in. Thank you very much. In case you haven't participated in the giveaway, no problem, don't worry, we still have time. The giveaway closes on August 1st, 11:59 p.m. Indian Standard Time. That is 2:29 p.m. EDT and 7:29 p.m. London time. Just watch the giveaway video, follow the 3 simple steps and you are in. Don't miss it, you could be the lucky winner. As of today, July 28th, we have received 47 entries, out of which 43 are qualified entries. 4 are incomplete entries. Either the Instagram ID is not been updated or the comment "Enjoy your jumps" has not been mentioned. If you are one of those 4 entries, please go back and correct your entry so that I can include your names also in the lucky draw. Now, I shall share the names of the 47 entries on the screen here for all of us to see. In case you have participated and I have missed out in that list, please do leave a comment. I will go back and check under the original video's comments, and in case I have missed it, I'll update it and confirm back to you also. And friends, I would also like to share that I'm keeping track of all the entries which are coming under the giveaway video, so that records are clear and the entire process is fair and transparent for all of us. On August 2nd, I'll be going live on YouTube at 5 p.m. India time. 5 p.m. India time would be 7:30 a.m. EDT or 12:30 p.m. London time. In the live video, we'll be selecting the 3 lucky winners using the Wheel of Name tools, again from a point of fairness and transparency for all. So I look forward to seeing you on the live video and I wish you are one of the lucky winners.